Amateur, pick something.
Two, one. Yay.
Add some Risk of Rain to the channel. Fuck it, why not? Amateur, don't die.
No promises.
Ah, I pushed a button. I don't remember what the buttons are.
Cool.
There we go.
Boy, I sure don't remember how to play.
Well, don't die. We'll try to keep you alive. I can damn near solo this with this character. This character's kind of broken. Loon, those mobile turrets I have gain every item I pick up.
Yeah, I'm playing engineer also.
Well, he doesn't have the character yet. I earned it when I was playing solo without him. Oh, also I have like 13 of the moon coins, or the lunar tokens.
Frenzy!
Do you have the mobile turret set up, Amateur?
Yeah. They follow me around.
I was wondering. Wait, can we have more than one of the... Do you have your turrets out or no?
Yeah, man, just follow me around.
Wait. Where's mine? Oh, well, there's a problem.
Oh.
As soon as you play some... Oh, okay.
No, there we go. I just forgot to put them down, I guess.
Well, I put mine down and it deleted yours, and then when you put yours down, it deleted... I don't know.
I don't know. I think I was just lying. I'm not certain.
I don't know. I noticed mine were following you. I think they were confused.
I think so, too.
Go away!
No.
Yes.
I was
Harpoons!
experiencing a weird thing, because I hadn't been playing computer games in a long time, let alone just first-person computer games. I was starting to get motion sick from playing them.
Really?
Yeah, because last week I tried playing Hunt Showdown with my friend Zach, and my computer can't really handle it, so that didn't work. I was starting to get motion sick from playing it after like an hour or so.
I'm trying to remember what your setup was. Oh, I took that. My bad.
Yeah.
I was just walking, not even paying attention to it.
Dude, this is a new level, too. I haven't seen this one.
Is it? I think it was the first level we died on when we first started playing. Ow! What killed me?
Everything.
Harpoons! I love the harpoon. Here, have another landmine.
Yummy healing drone.
Oh yeah, I saw one of those. We need to get a lot of those. Ooh, purple box. I don't know what it means, but purple box. Oh look, I get gold when I take a hit. Something come over here and try to kill me.
Alright, I forgot to lock on them.
Yeah, I got some equipment. There was one over to me.
I'll take it. Especially if I don't have something, might as well. God damn it. I guess you're killing everything, because there's nothing here, but yet I'm just getting coins constantly.
Yeah, we share coins. So we're running into things.
Yeah, there's nothing over here.
Yeah.
What the hell did I just get? Oh.
Cool.
I don't know what that does, but cool. I don't know enough about this game to know what that does. Ow! One thing I hate about the engineer is trying to shoot the things that fly.
There you go.
There's another healing drone over by the thing. I just don't have the coins for it.
You can take that. Go ahead.
Heal while sprinting, corrupts all the sprint thunder.
Where was this equipment that was over here, or did Ed grab it?
Oh, I grabbed it.
Alright. You got the coin? Yeah, I was waiting for it to get enough. Damn it. Stuff needs to die. I need coins.
Ouch. Well,
Oh, that almost killed it. I'm using the harpoon launcher from like stupid far away.
Yeah. So I've gotten 2 equipment pieces so far.
Oh, right. You can hold 2, right? You're playing that one.
Yeah, I can, but I am not right now.
Ow.
I decided to switch to the other one.
do not like all these things are into. Thank you,
What is
Golden
this?
Drone.
Oh, dealing damage now heals me. Yay.
No.
Which also heals my turrets.
I don't like that.
I love, Tim, that you've just found, like, every item.
Me?
Yeah, no, he does that a lot.
I pressed tab to look at our items, and you basically have
Holy
everything.
shit!
Yeah, no, he does that a lot.
I just went and found one little lake that had a couple things.
But it's funny because that's basically how every game I play in this goes. All my other friends do is find everything and grab everything.
I didn't think it was that far off. Damn. I just found this lake right here, and there was like 3 boxes.
I've only been finding already open boxes.
Yeah, because someone keeps taking them all.
Which is funny, because this character is actually really slow. Found another healing drone. Does that help?
No.
But I need more stuff!
I really don't think you do.
I've been finding drones. I haven't found anything for me. But I've been finding drones.
I mean, it's also helpful. We found a giant drone one time, a prototype
There's
something.
a
That's a
box
good one.
if you want it, Ed.
You found what?
A box. I can't get to it. I don't have a jump.
I don't have a jump either.
We have a jump. It's not
He has more jump than me.
we have a jump. It's just not a good jump.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm basically above you too. So.
I found a box.
No. Bad.
I already,
No box.
I already opened it and left.
Yeah, it's right there.
Nope.
You might be able to get it from the other side.
I believe. I found another box.
Stop it.
I'm just wandering around. It's like, oh look, a box. Oh look, a turret.
Can't get that one. I can't get it. And there's a box for you over there.
I don't think it was a box. I don't know what you're talking about. There's no boxes.
Oh, you got hurt. What are you doing? Don't be hurt.
No.
Box.
No.
You can have it.
Well, who wants to start the teleporter?
Not it. Mainly
Alright,
because
got it.
I'm still looking for boxes.
I'll get it.
Oh god. Well, I guess we're killing that now, huh?
Yeah, I'm going over it now.
I am too. I'm just healing because I opened 2 things that took 50% of my
Oh,
health.
that's so many lasers.
I don't think he's gonna live long. Do.
I'm not over there.
No, I'm talking about the golem ain't gonna live long. Ow! What? Bye. He catapulted me.
Must be done.
Oh no, I didn't die. I just got launched.
Oh, why am I slow? Oh, because they're glacial. Got it.
Hey, I'm up here, guys. Having fun down there?
No!
Did you die?
Oh, right, frenzy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I'm just sitting above them dropping landmines and... Ow! Go away! Ow, what is killing me? No! I'm not gonna die! I died.
What isn't?
Well, that sucks.
Uh-oh.
I'm dead. Have fun.
Yeah! We can get all the boxes now.
I mean...
We'll get all the boss rewards.
I don't care. There's only one.
One for you.
Yeah, I don't care. Hurry up and kill it. Where the hell is it?
I don't know.
I know. It's over here. It left.
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Why is it way the hell over there?
It's going to go for you.
Oh.
And it's one of the turrets.
It's one. I think it's one of my turrets because it's healing as it's shooting. Unless if fucking Ed's got that too.
Yeah.
Woo!
Chance on kill to drop treasure.
Meow.
It only dropped 2 anyways.
Oh.
Level up. Level up.
Yeah. It's delicious.
Oh, that was up there on the tree.
Oh. I was like, there's only 2 anyways, so I'm not really worried now.
Oh, in an aqueduct. I know this place, sorta.
Oh yeah, $3.
I know where all of them are. I know where every single drop is. Not. Go away. I need items. Go away. Oh, look, a box. I got coins. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Yeah.
Gosh, will you hurry up and kill enough stuff so I can open a box?
No.
I already opened one, so.
That's an expensive one, so I'm stuck waiting. And there's nothing over here.
Ooh. Coin. Yoink.
Oh, nice. I still have 13 of those. Oh, hi, big guy. Go away. Open box, please. Yeah. High damage. Oh, nice. Oh, look, coins. Just what I need. Bye, guys. You can hate me later. Or now. I
I
don't
didn't
care.
touch that.
Huh?
Oh, I used my effigy thing.
Oh, you got the executive card.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's actually awesome because the multi-shops you can buy all the items. I've had that one before. Every multi-shop, that's every item's open to you. Yeah, I hit that thing too, but it's at 75%, and I don't have any, like, really good healing items.
Found the teleporter.
Nice. Oh! Oh, because I picked up that key. What is this? I don't know what any of this does, but give me that one. Oh, I know what that one does. Yay, I heal while sprinting!
What's just me and getting fucking ordinary things? Equipment. All equipment.
That's you got another equipment?
Yes.
I took it.
Another legendary.
You want the other one I had?
I'll take anything. I don't got any equipment.
This is awesome. I haven't seen this one before. Goobo Jr. I got another me. Which means me plus 2 more.
Oh yeah, those are awesome.
This is awesome.
For that character, yeah, it's awesome.
Ah, this is great.
That is like the best ability. What is this thing you gave? Oh, Frenzy. Oh, I can run faster with it. I'm gonna use that to go get more boxes.
Run faster, shoot faster.
I don't care about the shoot faster part, but I can run faster. Whee.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
China blood.
Go away, you fucking dickhead! I am so stealing yours now.
You tried. There you go.
There I go, what? The fuck are we? Oh god, go away. There's everything behind me. What is that?
For you.
Oh, those suck. The fucking, you turn invisible when you take too much damage, kid. I hate those one-time use things, except for the one that saves your life if you fuck up. I'm gonna take the random if I have enough coins. Air turrets, kill all that. I'm gonna run away now. I need to get shurikens or something like that. That works awesome with these turrets.
No, the banner.
I hate that banner. It's so annoying.
I mean, it's not that it's fine. It's just.
It was like the second game me and you played. I got like 30 of those. Well, I think we've cleared this, so.
Yep. I'm on my way to teleport.
Me too. I was trying to upgrade that character that fucking Moon is, but I couldn't get it.
I do not remember how to open up the aqueduct or whatever it is.
Aqueduct?
Or whatever that door is over here.
How do you open it, Ed?
Don't remember, like I said. Don't remember. I just know I've done it.
So which doors is openable?
It's been at least a year since I last played this. It's like all my knowledge of the game
I
is
take it
gone.
as this door all the way here in the back corner.
Boss fight!
Okay, I was hoping to look, but man. All 3 or 4 of our turrets are shooting at one with that beam, and you're just watching that health just disintegrate.
Get it!
Mine. What? I didn't get it. No!
Ah, I'm frozen! Ah, I'm frozen!
Imagine all 3 of us with this character with the turrets. Like, we already have a small army where you can almost just stand here, throw some landmines around, and just chill. Like,
I don't stun things.
I don't have to do anything. And I hate you telling me that there's the door we can open. I think each level has something hidden in it. I found one the other day. Which, if we land on it, I will show you. If we land on that
Totally,
level.
that's where all the artifacts are, too.
Yeah, I have one artifact, I think. Or no, it was a... You got the code to go to the teleporter thing in the one I found.
Oh, yeah.
I found another code in one of the rooms that I went into. I hate this part. Like, we're just leveling everybody here. Can we just go? Grenades! Yeah! Landmine. Can we go now? Hey, can we go? Are we there yet?
No,
Oh.
we're not there yet.
I want more items. This isn't fair.
Ah, damn it.
Where are
We didn't make it fast enough, did we?
Ooh! Box.
That's something where it's like getting to Delta within a certain amount of time does something, and I can't remember what.
What, this map here?
Yeah, if you get to this map within like 10 minutes or something, I think.
This is the map that we found that prototype drone.
That might be what it is. Like if you get there. Or no, up here it is. Yeah, there's a box with a timer on it.
Oh, I was wondering what those were. There was usually 2 of them on the map, and I never knew what the hell it was.
You gotta get that here within, before the timer runs out.
Ah. Is it what, just another item or something special?
Can't remember.
Gosh. Not gonna let me know anything here?
Oh, are these things?
I
What
need-
are all these monsters I've never seen before?
So if you kill the purple ones, you unlock a area.
Oh, it has one of those areas here?
Yep.
Nice. Will you die, you big bastard? Loon, don't
Yeah.
die. I see your health. Don't die. And the boss thing is on the beach. Oh look, enemies take more damage when near me. International delivery of powerful items. I never understood that one. I never noticed the difference. But now everybody near me or my turrets take more damage. Well, as soon as I place them in.
Oh, there it's a familiar sound.
Ooh! Another hidden box.
Or
I don't know what this one is. Gimme. Oh!
Oh, hey!
Full health
Who's
enemies
ready for a
detonate
trial? Who's ready for a shrine?
fuck is this?
I just ran away from you and left you with it.
Yep, everything hates me.
I left you some turrets. Good luck.
Everything's not friendly.
I'm here. Whoa. What is the point of the trial again?
I don't know.
Literally the only reason I normally do it is because I need money. I was wondering if it was something special that you knew about.
Nah.
Before I think I was giving you more money. And I think something.
I got the war banner.
Hooray.
Charge! Oh, finally got the void seeds. More coins. More money. Ooh, box! Ukulele. Music is electric. Oh look, a shrine. A perfect place to burn all of my money. Oh, if I activate equipment, I get a burst of attack speed. Plus the burst of attack speed I'm already getting from this piece of equipment. I want something better for equipment. I hate this thing. No, Loon's been over here.
It's not much in the way of
I got an achievement for reaching
Equipment,
200% movement speed. When I use my equipment, I get a burst of movement speed. So I used the equipment to give me movement speed, and then it gave me the burst of movement speed. Man, this map sucks. There's no boxes here. And also, there's no giant prototype drone, which it makes me sad. We're so poor, we just got no items.
Says the guy with all the items.
I don't know what you're talking about. You have all the items. I don't have anything.
You have so many items, it started the second row already.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have any items. I am broke. I am poor. It is hard out here. As I'm still running around looking for more boxes. Hoping you guys missed something. You did. Zoom! Go away, Loon, I hear you.
I don't know.
Oh, it's equipment. Yay. Now I throw saw blades. Oh, look, another box. There's a bunch of boxes up here. This was the place to go. Holy crap. There's 3 boxes up here.
I have $2,000.
I have 1,700. Well, unless there's something over here, I think we... Ooh, it looks like it might be something. Or is that a moon thing? Well, we have the thing to go to the moon coin place over here if anybody wanted to go.
I mean, I have 5 coins.
I mean, if you want to go, we can pay for it, but I've never gotten anything from that place I was happy with.
Yeah, to go to the awesome place for the loot, right?
The newt altar?
I mean, if we want to go, we can go. Did you pay for it or no?
Challenge?
I only have 5 coins.
Oh, well, I guess we won't go.
You're the one that says you have like 13 of them.
I was wondering if you wanted to go. What I was asking, jackass.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to the moon, the lunar place, as soon as we're done with the boss.
Okay.
Well, we ready for boss?
Yeah.
I replaced my turrets.
Whoop.
What is it? Ow!
Ah, shit.
I threw thingy, and it didn't die. I love the ability you can get that a random effect, or a random equipment will occur every time you use your equipment.
Oh, please no.
You ever gotten that one, Ed?
I don't think so. Doesn't sound familiar.
It is awesome. Because all of a sudden you use your equipment and you'll get like the strike drones or that goo thing and you didn't use that. It came with it, with your regular equipment, you got that too.
Nice.
I think he died. Now, droid to clean up the mess. Oh, why is... Okay, that's a slow thing.
Yeah, there's a few of those, weirdly.
I see that. Is that from the boss or something else that's here? There's another one, so something's still launching them. I think it's a loon thing. Got it. And we got shurikens from that boss.
Yeah. Alright, so when it powers up, don't go to the main one.
Right. I almost forgot about that. Here, put my turrets back down. Now they have shurikens. I had one that...
These guys are full of drones. There are so many.
Poof!
Teleport!
I don't think I'm going to buy anything because I don't know what any of the equipment in here does.
Well, I'm not going to buy anything either, but I wanted to go elsewhere. You guys ready? If I don't have to double jump. I don't remember how helpful that'll be.
Ready for... What, is there something down there?
Yeah.
What's down there?
Yeah. It's the challenge room, or whatever it's called.
Oh. Well, you're not buying anything, though?
Nope.
I'm more interested in the challenge room.
Ow!
You gotta jump forward. Huh?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Of course, it's a lot better when you have a,
double jump?
I need to stay here a few.
I have a double jump, so...
Uh-oh.
Shiny purple.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ow!
So this is gonna suck if you don't have healing.
I have sprint healing.
I don't have healing.
I have sprint healing also.
I don't have healing.
Yeah, the null zone, that's what it's called.
Ow. Oh. We needed to play with Ed a long time ago, because neither one of us knew anything about this.
I mean, I could have just looked it up, too. But...
So if you're outside the circle, you take it over time.
Yeah. Yeah, they had a new game mode called the Simicon, which is basically this.
So we just need to stay alive inside the circle.
Yep. And then monsters will come, and then we got to go to the next circle.
Yeah, eventually I'll move.
This is not gonna go well. Landmines. Come on up here, the turrets want to play.
Never seen these before.
You what?
Never seen these monsters before.
They've been all over. It's basically like the slime cube from Minecraft. It just blows up into more. They're slightly annoying later on.
Alright, so we each get an item,
Oh.
and then we move to the next one.
Ooh,
Shoot.
Ow!
Where's the next
Or
one?
the beam in the sky.
I hope there's not a whole lot of jumping to get to it.
I'm out of there. Having it.
Okay, now the monsters have an item.
I just finally made it, and I opened like 3 boxes on the way. Gosh, Ed, where have you been? We've been just slumming it around here. Even though this place is kind of evil and I don't like it.
Oh no, this is usually where I die.
You come in here and you don't make it.
This is not a place of fun.
I'm having fun, so...
Well, that's only because we're on level 1. So like you'll notice like now it shows on the right the monsters have an item. Like it adds some kind of modifier for each cell we go to.
Ah, so it gets worse and worse and worse.
Yep.
Now they heal.
At least it's an easy monster for now.
Loon, I think he's trying to kill us. Where are we going?
What? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, this is cool now. It used to be just whatever drops is what you get, and now you can choose. Alright, where's the next one? Somewhere in that direction.
Ooh, box! I'm not getting that one. That's 50% off my health to be able to get it. Ooh, box! Ooh, box! Thank God for sprint healing, or I'm doing a dumb by picking up all these boxes over here. Because it keeps up with the damage I'm taking.
Hey, look, boxes that Tim opened.
Yeah.
I didn't open them.
Yeah, you did.
You have no proof!
Now I've got the frickin' relic golems or whatever they're called.
I have no healing, so I'm just gonna stay right here for a minute.
You really have 0 healing items?
I have 0 healing items.
Oh my god!
Someone keeps taking all the items.
So the only reason you've been healing is all the drones that we don't have in here.
That and you do actually have healing normally. It's just
Yeah, just
very
the passive healing or whatever.
cheap.
This is the perfect spot to hold them off. They only can come at us one way, and we have a ton of drones. These turrets are nuts. Like, they were nuts before you got the ones that moved and they just sat in one place, but these
I love
nuts.
that they actually wear the items that you have, too.
Yeah. And they
So
get
cool.
broken. Rocks! Landmine, landmine, landmine. Just throw your landmines off that cliff and back up.
I'm just gonna stand here. Oh. Okay. Healing!
Movement speed!
That way.
Yep.
Come on, Loon, you can do it!
I actually have healing, so.
Oh, yay. Oh, look, you got a thing? I like this place. There's boxes.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Oh, look, I got increased health. This hurts. I need to come over here. This hurts a lot. I'm gonna stand next to you. I need that help. My turrets just died from being out there.
Ow.
landmine!
Ow! That's why. There. If anyone wants healing, I can heal.
Yeah, I know, I used it a second ago because I was getting close to death because I was getting greedy with boxes.
You're always greedy with boxes. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but this is greedy where I could die by getting them. Unlike the other ones where people get mad because I get them. Which is just funny. This character's not even that fast either. I was expecting to get you could get more because you have that guy. He runs a lot quicker.
Mm.
Eh?
Oh.
Oh.
Healing!
More health! Ah! Where are we going?
I don't know.
There.
That's it.
Now it deals more damage than my sprint healing is doing.
Oop,
Very lightly.
Same, but it is very, very slight. Oh look, a container! Box. Box.
I heal faster than it damages me.
Box.
Oh god! That almost pushed me off the cliff. That would have been very bad. Very, very bad.
I am providing the healing.
The only thing that needs healing seems to be our turrets. At least, I think Ed's turrets, because they're outside the ring somewhere.
Yeah.
Fire!
Oh, that's a new thing too. I don't
What?
like it.
Oh, that creature? Oh no, that thing's coming? I hate those.
Yeah, and it's healing. I hate it.
They hurt a lot.
Well, at least we just have to stay alive. We don't have to kill it.
I died.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
I was outside of it, so.
Uh-oh. So, does this ever end?
Yeah.
We're at 85%.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
4 times tails.
I thought we stood a chance right up to the point where Loon died.
Well, that's just who I was being stupid and went outside.
Hey. Now we get green rarities.
I don't know what this is. Get it. Oh, look, I got 2 of them. Ow. Okay, where is it? Ow.
And you didn't even pick it up.
Yeah, I did. Oh, what? I actually didn't. What?
Did I pass it? Wasn't paying attention.
I don't
Alright.
see it.
I did pass it.
It's behind,
Higher.
yeah, go down there.
What? Oh,
It's on the hill.
Top of this one.
You can do it.
Go, 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 go. Quit watching me. You're making me nervous.
Slow.
This is literally my top speed.
No, not you, Ed.
I'm very
Ed.
Daddy bear.
Hey, look, healing. Third one.
Hey, I got a double jump. Yay! Put your turrets back down. So they're up here with us. And just start throwing your landmines off the cliff.
They move fast.
Just sit up here and throw your landmines down there. That's the only way they're coming up.
Yeah, I was actually heading up here when I died.
That wasn't a smart move. Oh god, they are really quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got the whip item.
Yep.
That guy hurts. He needs to die quickly.
They have 5 medkits, 3 whips, and 5... I'm not sure what that one is.
That's equipment. Like my landmine, your secondary, where you get more of it, is what that one is.
Oh, so kind of useless for them?
I guess.
I
Like,
hope so.
I usually only can hold 4 mines, and I can actually hold 5 right now. Ooh, let's get that. Yeah, you can have the second one.
And it's to your left.
It is?
Yeah,
That way!
you can feel right.
Oh.
Whoop! Box!
Thank you, Kitty Bear.
Squeaky noise. Turrets.
Oh,
Landmines.
oh, now they got the buffaloes.
Turrets and big guy throwing ball darts.
You can do it. I believe.
How many more times do we gotta survive through that?
You're on number 6.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. And what happens if we die? Does it restart the whole thing?
If we die, we die.
Okay. No! I got knocked out. Let me back in. Oh my God, I might die.
Do not like, do not like, do not like.
How am I alive?
I'm just running and healing and running and healing and getting hurt.
I got launched out and I used the health thing at like fucking 10 HP. Yeah.
But hey, if we beat the last one, you get a legendary item.
Damn it!
I'll survive! Hey, so one of us gets 2 legendary items?
Yeah, 2 legendary items.
I already got it, but everything in there I already got. Thing. Loon, do you see it?
I think Ed does.
I don't.
There it is.
Oh.
Oh, here it is.
There's a thing for 50% of your health gone. I'm not clicking it.
I could have.
It takes too much to heal. It's too much effort to
No.
heal.
Well, like I said, I was out healing damage that the zone is doing.
Nice. The run heal doesn't heal as fast, but it heals while we're running.
I'm just gonna keep running in circles and let everything else deal with it.
Keep throwing your landmines. They do a good amount of damage. And if you have the homing one set up, they're really useful. Our turrets are dying too. I don't know which one of ours are dying, but they're dying. Please die. Please die faster. Ah!
Everything.
Gosh, you guys are making my controller shake. Alright, it's straight in front of you.
Turret. Turret. Push.
As I hit that and just look at
Pull your turrets back out, because I think yours died.
I died.
What?
I just got one shot by something.
I don't like this.
Oh, that might be whatever their item is.
You know, they have to look at
Yeah. Skulls when healed. Oh shit.
I will survive!
Well, they have a thing that shoots skulls when they get healed, and they have that freaking med kit to heal themselves.
no.
Also, we'd be shooting skulls. Boy, my game is there we go. I finally got time to turn it down.
Come on!
Turn it from 100% to 6%.
Come on!
I think this might be it.
I refuse! Yeah. Oh, I was trying to heal. I was running in a circle trying just to heal. But they were killing my turrets as fast as I could put them down.
Your body was sent flying.
Yeah. But I got a looter coin right before I died.